Peterson here, Goes to 11 Media. Joined with my wife again today. Paula, how are you doing?
Hello. Good, thanks.
Good. Well, welcome back everybody to another episode of Grounds for Divorce. We're hanging in there.
Yeah.
We're actually making a few of these episodes. People are liking it. That's good.
Yep.
It started off as a bit of a lark, but I'm glad that you guys are enjoying this. It's we're really enjoying it, and
Yeah, they're fun.
it sort of perks us up with the caffeine too.
I do have a question though.
What's that?
Well, I see you're wearing another shirt.
Yes. You know what? I mean, Paula gives me a lot of grief about how many t-shirts do I have?
What did I count the last time?
I don't know. Too many.
Probably well over 50.
So I have a lot of different t-shirts. Always have ever since I was a young guy. A lot of rock t-shirts, rock bands that I like. My Wolf and different, sort of spirit t-shirts kind of thing. And so today I'm wearing my Yngwie Malmsteen t-shirt. Yngwie is one of my favorite guitarists. Yeah, there you go. And so I'm wearing my Malmsteen shirt. But you're rocking the Goes to 11 brand, so that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's always a good thing.
I'm loyal.
Yeah. That's good. Well, I'm loyal to Yngwie.
Yeah.
And the gods of rock. All right, guys.
Well, let's try this Rockin' Salt Spring Island coffee.
This is new for both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've never tried Salt Spring coffee.
I don't recall.
No, I've never tried it. Paula was out shopping and saw it and said, let's give this one a go. So we're going to try this coffee. What have you made for us today here?
So today I've chosen a decaf and a French roast. Decaf because, well, I find coffee is quite comforting, and in the evening time, I definitely don't want to be loading up on the caffeine.
Well, I might.
Well, you're up way later than me. Anyways, so...
This is the French roast. Should I spin the packaging around for the French side out?
The other side looks nicer.
There we go. Okay. No offense to those watching in French countries or French provinces.
No. They put that tape on there to help seal it.
The sellotape.
And it's like, it works.
It really
That's the
well.
one thing I appreciate about it. It really works. Okay, so let's try the decaf.
Dm, shall we say. I haven't had any coffee today. Let's see here. This is where I always have this trouble with that stupid handshake, bringing it over, transitioning it, because it's like going to spill everywhere. Okay, it has a real quick hit to it on the coffee flavors. For me, it's not a gradual build up. It's right there, front loaded. Lots of coffee flavor.
A bit cocoa-y. That nice cocoa flavor.
Yeah, I would agree. Yeah, it definitely has that. You get that instant of the coffee, and then it goes into that cocoa note. It's really good.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow, well done, guys.
Nice color too.
Now the company when was it formed? 1997, did you say? 96?
96, I believe.
96, I think it was. But it was a husband-wife team that started it up.
Salt Spring Island.
There you go.
I like it. It's good.
There you go in for this one. And this is the French roast now. Definitely a darker flavor to it.
Yes.
Right?
It has more of a dark chocolate.
Yep.
Slight caramel.
Look at her. She just takes the cup and away she goes.
I need some caffeine too.
She just needs a fork. You should see her at dinner, okay? The fork's in the handle, I guess, right?
What a lie. Coming from someone who takes 20 seconds to eat a whole meal.
I have to eat it quick or else she'll take it on me.
Yeah, I don't even know if you chew your food.
Well, this is the wolf or anything. That's really good too, though. I like it.
It is very, very nice. I like that dark chocolate. You can definitely taste that.
Yeah,
Nice
really
and
good.
smooth too.
Let's go for the latte. Now, which latte do you want to start with?
Oh, let's do the decaf.
All right.
Don't look at my artwork.
It's another outer space theme by looks of it today.
It's a nebula.
There you go.
Nice, love it. I'm gonna enjoy having those at nighttime. Nice after dinner.
Oh, that's super
before
light,
bed.
Super light. Now, would you use the 7.83% dairy fat? What do we have in there today? The natural, what is it?
3.2.
3.2.
5.
See, that's how she screws with me right there. 3.2. Then it goes, logs into the brain, 3.2. And then next time I see she go, no.
Come on.
All right, so this is going to be the French roast latte.
Look at that, nice color.
These are really nice. Definitely not harsh. There's not a harsh. When you put it into the latte, you lose that. You do lose that sort of heavy
Bitterness.
Well, I don't even want to say bitterness. I'm going to say that more of a sharpness than it has when you're drinking it black. The putting it into a latte sort of just rounds it out a little bit, right? But wow, really, really nice. It's a very enjoyable coffee. And since I'm going to be up late, I'll be enjoying the
I'll stick to the decaf.
French roast.
Very nice.
It's really good. Yeah, listen, guys, we really enjoyed this. It's great. So now they must have a bunch of different coffees out there as far as flavors and that. Did you see? Did you see what they had?
Different types of roasts and beans. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think we'll be doing more of that.
They were out of a lot, actually.
Were they? Yeah. Well, I'm not surprised. It's a really nice coffee.
Yeah, I think it's quite popular.
And so, and guys, one of the things we haven't really even branched out to, we'll call it international brands. Okay? Like right now, we've been focusing on a lot of the local domestic stuff here, as far as, we've done Spent Grounds, which is a local company. We've done our friends over at Spirit Bear Coffee Company. What else? Kicking Horse, which is up interior. Yep, Spent Grounds we did. There's been a few of them, and they're all sort of the locals, and now Salt Springs local. I've actually sent some requests out to different companies to see if we can get some coffee beans from, there's some really cool ones. There's one actually I just messaged the other day. It's called Death Wish Coffee. And these guys sound pretty intense, and it was funny. I see a lot of the rock stars are drinking this stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was watching an interview, Zach Wilde from Aussie, and he was slurping away his coffee. He mentioned Death Wish Coffee, and then I was watching somebody else, and they had a Death Wish Coffee thing on. I'm like, okay, we gotta try this. I mean, maybe Ingve.
I'm up for it.
So yeah,
Hence
the Ingve,
the rock theme.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll check it out. So hopefully we'll tag you guys in this video, and hopefully you'll see it as well. So
yeah.
Anyways, thank you. Another fun session.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. And guys, we'll be back next week with another installment of Grounds for Divorce. Take care. Have a good week.
Enjoy.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We really appreciate your support. You can also lend support to us by clicking that like button, giving us a thumbs up on it. Also, please subscribe. When you subscribe to our channel, it helps us to have numbers following, which gets us access to even cooler content for you guys to watch. Also, don't forget to click that little reminder bell. It keeps you up to date in the world of Goes to 11 Media and know what's going on. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you again.